What up, guys? This is Pastor Canavi again. We're coming out with another video in C Sharp, and today we're going to be talking about booleans. But before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If this channel is help you out, the things that I do is help you at least a little bit, for the basics. Please subscribe. We're growing slowly but steady. All right. So let's do booleans in C Sharp. Um, so pretty often in programming, you will need a data type that can only have one or two values like yes, no, on, off, true and false. So C Sharp has a bool data type which can take values true and false, which we're going to do that, boolean values. So the boolean type is declared with the bool keyword and can only take values true and false. So which we're going to do that right now. Let's do an example. We're going to do bool. So we're going to do is C sharp sharp equals true. We're getting that value right here to this boolean. Let's do another one. We're going to say is today Friday, and we're going to say false. Today is not Friday. Today is Wednesday. It's like actually Thursday. It's 12:70 a.m. So that's where we're starting this video right here. So now we're going to do console. Let's print it out. Right lane, semicolon, go back inside, and let's do double quotations, and then is C sharp. Not double quotation. We're going to pass this variable name right here, C sharp pan, and also we're going to do control D, so we'll copy the next, and then we're going to say is today Friday. Okay, let's run the program right here. So this is giving those values, right? So it should give us so it's going to run, and we have okay. So is C sharp equals true? Yeah, true. That's the value that we have. We're just printing out that we're executing those values. Boolean is today Friday is false. It's false today. Okay. So this is Boolean values right here. Now, um, it says it's more common to return Boolean values from Boolean expressions for conditional testing. Yeah, that's what we're going to do right now. It's Boolean, let's just put right here, Boolean expression. So we can know the different Boolean expression. So right here, we're going to do the following in the Boolean expression. Okay. So in Boolean expression you can compare. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to say int x equals to 10, right? And then we do y equals to 8. And then we just do a console, right line, okay? And right here we can compare. So Boolean expressions, we can use a comparison. Let's just put right here Boolean expressions. You can use a comparison expression, a comparison operator. Okay, look, in this case we can just do, so what about is x? Yeah, we have x. I don't know why greater than y. You can tell right here the x is greater than y, so which is going to return a true, right? So let's run the program. Now let's see. It should give us yeah, true. we can just do another console right here, so we can have a copy right here, pen, and then we just do not that, but we do this. So we can have a little bit of a difference right there. So let's run it again. Okay, so it's true, right? So this is true. um okay, is 10 greater than y? Yeah, that's true. 10 is greater than y. Okay, that'll work. So now, so also we can use the equal operator to evaluate an expression. So we can say, let's just do this over here. And then we can do this over here. We can just do this. So right here we can say the following. We can say we can also use equal operator to evaluate expression. You can also use a equal to um, operator to evaluate an expression. Boom, we got that. So let's take a look at that example. We just do end, we just do x. No, let's just do another value. So let's just do d equals to 10 semicolon, and then we do a console that right lane, and then right here inside we're going to say the following: x equals to 10, right? So let's run that. No, it's not x, it's d. What I'm talking about, it's d. So it's going to say d equals to 10. It's going to be true, right? Pan. It's going to give us a true value right here. Yeah, it's true right there. Pan, right there, bro. We have that true value right there. So now, um, also we can just do the follow. Let's just do a real example. Yeah. So let's pretend that we're going to compare right here. So let's just do. Let's copy all of this. Copy right here, and we're going to do real boolean. Like, let's just do real example. Real example. Right there. So right here, let's get rid of this. Let's just do my age equals I am 25 years old, and let's create another variable which is going to be an integer. We're going to say voting age. Voting age is going to be equal, what is in the United States? It is 18. I don't know, by my country is 18. I don't know right here. So right here we can say my age greater or equals to voting age. So my age greater or equals to voting age. Yeah, it's graded for sure, so it will give me a true value, right? Pan, right here is true. Yeah, we got it. Let's give it true because that's true. All right. So also we can add some if statements to this. You say if my age if my age greater or equal to voting age, we're going to do this line of code or this statement right here. So let's copy this one right here. Let's uh, let's cut it, paste it right here, and then we can say the following. We can say um, all old enough to vote. Yeah, if my age greater or equals to voting age, if you are in that bracket, I mean greater or equal, so you old enough to vote, you're going to be old enough to vote, right, between that bracket. So now else you can say console. Let's do that, but let's get rid of this and semicolon, and right here you can say no old enough to vote. Okay, so let's run it. So it should give us old enough to vote. Yes, that's what we have, right? Boom. Yeah, dude, this is how we use Boolean. So hopefully this video helped you out. So pretty basic, right? So hopefully, please don't forget to like and subscribe. We're growing slowly but steady. All right, have a good night, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.